Now, Madam Valerie, you ain't seen this. Right, we've seen the clover embellisher, Needlefelter.
We have.
They've brought out a new gadget, this one. This is a sort of pen felter.
Yes, it looks much more elegant.
It's much more elegant, and it's a very directional tool. It's got 3 needles in it, and you can get different needles for it. You can get thick needles and thin needles. So I've used the butterfly mould and put a butterfly on it. It is cute. And you can see how well it comes through to the back. If I turn it over, you can see how it really does felt into the back. Use the moulds, you get lots and lots and lots of ideas. You're not stuck for a problem. You could make a flutterby and put it onto something as a free-form flutterby because you can cut it out. You can make felt, you can use yarn.
And it's not limited to an age group either,
No,
is it?
it isn't.